Tethr Live is a real-time application built with agents and supervisors in mind. Supervisors see a Tethr Live dashboard with a real-time feed of their live interactions. Alerts allow supervisors to see potential problems the moment they occur and take appropriate action, reducing the risk of customer dissatisfaction. Agents see a simplified interface, focused on the most relevant prompts, helping them navigate the conversation while avoiding unnecessary distractions. As the customer and agent interact, Tethr picks up key moments in the conversation, triggering appropriate alerts to the supervisor or agent. Tethr Live comes with hundreds of pre-built response triggers based on the words customers and agents use, ensuring agents receive the right prompts at the right time. You can configure prompts to link to knowledge base articles, troubleshooting guides, and more, so your agents can quickly access the resources they need to help customers. Tethr Live also keeps the agent on track throughout the conversation, with in-the-moment compliance checklists that alert them if they miss a step before the conversation is over. In addition to getting real-time guidance, users benefit from the post-interaction analyses available in Tethr's dashboards moments after a conversation ends. Get insight into the top drivers of operational costs, churn, customer satisfaction, and more, so that you can continue improving your contact center operations and customer experience. Ready to learn more? Schedule a call with our team.